morning to Rasclot. Look on the blood clot girl, them with them fat pussy. Pump, pump, fat pussy girl, them. One. I like fat pussy girl, them one, eh? Oh, now go on with one of the fat pussy. Pussy smell good. Pussy clean. Pussy no have no water. Me say one, me mama bumbo clot. One, I like blood clot fans them. I like good up pussy girl them. We done clean up pussy this morning. Oh God, pussy clean, pussy good. Pussy got water on it. Whoa, woo. Pussy sweet, pussy smell good. Me say I like girl them one. Me say mama bumbo clot. You know say me have something by my mind this morning. Jamaican people, my youth. Where I deal with me dan? Why me there to pussy clot? You know say me there, my youth. Me say me there. There to pussy clot, and you know say everything Chris. Yes man, everything blood clot Chris Jamaican feel. Glad to you in a place today. Yes man, what go on Jamaican feel? Why you know say me there to pussy clot? Why you know say my you cheese and fat? Me see what I get about tune into me thing, you know. Yes man, I want if a blood clot girl me having on my thing. Yes man, to pussy clot the girl them tuning. The girl them love me rasta. You don't know what go on? No man, me don't know what go on. Me don't know what go on a blood clot Jamaican Jack. So where you come from this man if you talk to what go on fans big up on the blood clot, so Jamaican P there to blood clot. Me never have a glass, so you put on my glass to pussy clot. One I deal with all like good up woman them and big up on yourself. Me there I go and sit down with Jack real quick, cause Jack say him got some things for the man. And me get up this morning and the man boy say boy I got some things for the man and rare and he say boy you know. Yeah man, me have some things for my man Jamaican people man. Respect me that. Yeah man, now watch the face man. See? So what we have for your mind this morning? Well Jamaican people, maybe tell you what me have for my mind this morning, rude boy. Well my youth see ya now. See? No, look on me, dreadlocks look good my youth. Yeah, but me see, man, I wish part to get the hair done. My youth, don't worry about that, my youth, just worry about what we come to talk about this morning. You drink tea this morning already? No man, me even get up and make nothing to eat this morning. Then my youth, me then wake up this morning and I try to tell her, say, if you come out, because me did boil up some tea, see, and me did put some egg in our blood clot, you know, pon the stove, get some, you know, water and boil up and things so we can have 2 egg and things. But you didn't get up my youth, so I just need me 2 egg them and drink the tea and all them things. So right now me feel nice in the blood clot. I want like a piece of spliff in my mouth right now. Just I make one chill out right now. So right now, Jamaican people, me just got a few things we're going to talk about this morning, you know. We have to go talk about. My youth just cool, man. Just cool, man. Just cool, man. You see, I have one little thing over there, so blaze it up, man. Well, no, man. We are watch my thing for my youth. Just relax, man. Just blaze it up, my youth. Cause right about now, when me have to talk about enough pussy, one not gonna like it, you know. Why make them not gonna like it? Because the pussy clap, me say them not gonna like it. Alright, then be that. Calm down. So, yes, people. Now, Jamaican Jack there. Want to say big up to all of the crew, them, all of the blood clot. People in the blood clot world, Jamaican Jack there to mama bamba clot. All of the thinking nigga them, we are suck dick. Some of them are get down on them knees. Some of them are fuck body. Some of them are fuck, I don't know. Some of them even fuck animal. Now you are now. Fuck that. Fuck this. Fuck who don't want to motherfucking watch my video. Who don't want to subscribe to my shit. Fuck you too. You get me? Don't give a fuck. This is me, Jamaican Jack. The ladies them call me JJ. So if you don't like call me Jamaican Jack, you can call me JJ. Know what I'm saying? So JJ in the motherfucking building. So big up yourself all of the people them. Jamaican P. Big up yourself my youth. If you come sit down with me. Yes man, I watch no face man. So hold on, you waste time now. So we have to talk about today. Well, you know say Jamaican P. Me wonder you know. Me wonder say what if to pussy clot? The whole world go back in times. Back in times? Yes, my youth. Back in the time them when carne and a seatbelt, when bomber clot, when certain things then they bought. And back in the time when then they have black and white TV. You know say no like your blood clotting. Yes, man. See, oh, enough of them pussy will not survive it. Boy, you know, say, I may ask myself that enough time because the millennium blood clot, look a young youth that we grew up now. See it? Enough of them to pussy clot so blood clot confused. See it? Yes. See it? Enough of them so blood clot confused. Yeah, man. See it? Them wouldn't be able to live back in time. If Father God was to say, make we go back in times. Yes, man. Take away all of the color TV them. Take away all I sell the phone them. And put car upon the road where they are no seatbelts. Yeah. See? Plane where no even exists. The law when it even exists. Take away all of that from them bumbleclad. Take away the police them. Take away all the law. Take away every pussy clad thing from them. I better say them dead. Them not gonna be able to survive Jamaican pay. See? Take away the weed. Take away the dope. Take away the guns. Take away every blood clot thing from them Jamaican pay. I better say them kill themselves. Yeah man, they don't kill them blood clot self. No, Jamaican pay, if you look on it now, no for them little youth, no for them little youth pretty much can do and say what they want to say. No for them a fuck body and need it quiet and right about now, you can't tell. No, you can't tell. No for them girl to pussy clot, they don't want no woman, no man. A woman know them blood clot one. A true ya talk. No for them to pussy clot, no for them girl to pussy clot. You can't tell if a woman them or a man a bumbo clot. My uterus is the world fucked up. The world fucked up for blood clot real. See? Now right about now to pussy clot people. And a lie Jamaican Jack are telling you. See? The amount of things we are going right about now. See? If you was to take away the blood clot seller phone them, take away all of the blood clot shit we are going now, all of the free things when where people are blood clot get now. Take away all the blood clot clothes, cheap clothes them all them things where we can buy now. Take away all the cheap food them all them things there where we can buy now and put it back in the modern times. When shit did hard for blood clot get. When blood clot a loaf of bread did all 5 cents. Well, blood clot, one box of drink all 10 cents. When 1 pound of chicken back all $2. Right now with them time you can't buy a pound of chicken back. A pound of chicken back probably all $1,000 Jamaican money now, you know. See? Yes man, Jamaican pay. See, chicken back, chicken. Back in them time, they took us a climb in my mind Jamaican pay. When we could have buy chicken back for $1.50. Yes, I know that your blood clot. Used to go store to pussy clot and go buy soft drinks for 10 cents. I know that your blood clot. Me buy bull and beer to pussy clot my youth. Me could have go in a blood clot shop go buy for 2 cents, 3 cents, 5 cents. See it? Yeah man, sweet and all them thing there. See it? Me couldn't go buy if you had 5 cents, 10 cents. Them thing that you can't buy no more. You remember ice cement? Ice cement? Yes man, you remember ice cement my youth? Me bumbuckler people. You know hear what Jamaican Jack just say? Ice cement, you remember ice cement? Ice cement, you can't buy ice cement no. No man, you can't buy ice cement, Jamaican people. You know say about $20 if you want ice cement now. Yes, my youth bomba blood clot, my youth. You remember when you lick up in my youth and you used to go buy blood clot ice cement a shop for 5 cents. Yeah, man, remember them time there. Then Jamaican pay my mama bomba clot. My youth, them little youth, and you know about them time there, you know. Me know my youth. That's why you see them little youth come by you think my youth want to yap off them face. And me no know what make they want come blood clot yap off. A man, them boy you don't know about modern times, dog. See all them little youth, you know, little youth can watch TV and learn how to suck dick. A true man, you. Fuck body too. See? The little youth here do a gang of blood clotting Jamaican pay right now. See? And them sit back and them say, oh, and modern times and all them things there. Modern times them bumbo clot. Things are changed and all them things there. Things not change for the best, dog. Things are changed for the worst. I don't like your blood clot tell. I don't like your blood clot tell no Jamaican Jack. I don't like your blood clot tell Rasta. No man. Lie what dog? See, not tell you what I'm going Rasta. See, you have to pay attention dog. See, no look on the little youth them now. You know say little youth them start turn pussy clot, carpet munch at young age, Batman young age, thief young age, badman young age. Whatever thing, disrespect them mama young age. See, them the thing you go on no Jamaican pay. I know like your blood clot tell. What the little things me see you go on yes. Yes youth, you know see little girls them are dead off now. little young boy, them a kill them, rape them. See, little, teeny, pity them. Make me know, say, I don't lie, tell a Jamaican Jack. I don't lie, a blood clot tell. Oh, me fi tell lie, my youth. Eh? Me not tell no blood clot lie, my youth. Look around your bumbo class around the Jamaican pay. Look what you surrounding, my youth. Me look how me surrounding all the time. Them my youth, and I say what blood clot go on. Me so I go on this. Them my youth that should have let you know what go on, them my youth. Me not fi tell you. You should have know. Look every day on social media. You know see what go on social media, youth. Yeah, man, me see what go on social media. Then you will fuck with that. That's true, man. Yes, people. What if I fuck with going, man? See, the eye can't. Listen, Jamaican people, me have to talk to you in the dog. Because you want now. See, I want if I like a fuck with going in the dog. See, and the eye don't understand. See, me pray every blood clot nice star. And if though me bumbo clot pray, see, me put my hands up every day to the Almighty up above them. See, dog. And even though me bumbo clot pray, dog, Jano, I pay fuck with the bumbo while I'm still a going with you know. Me don't understand why I go on Jamaican pay. General that. See? Me don't understand why I go on star. See? Now every day me pray. Master gotta show them sign every blood clot there, Rasta. And them not blood clot seats in the Jamaican pay. Me know that, man. And every day you come on social media, dog, and you have blood clot. Tell the pussy. Them and them not blood clot. Listen. Me know say me I tell the bumbo all them and them not blood clot. Listen, Jamaican Jack. See? Now see the now Jamaican pay. Now see the now every day boy I put up with about you and me. Me see that, man. And the boy them come like say them want dick for suck, you know. Yeah, man, me see the boy them come like them want dick for suck to bumbo clot. And the one that can pussy clot where he come like in girl stop fart in face. Which one? The boy the man, you don't know the boy the man. No, man, I don't know which boy I talk about, man. You know the little nasty boy the man, the one west. Wait, look for daddy. Yes, man, the one there. You know say last night me dey on social media Jamaican pay. And the boy the pussy club make 2-3 video about me, dog. Me no see video. My youth if you go look for the blood clot in the dog. Because me don't know what wrong with the boy. The boy want suck me dick. Jamaican pay. I mean, you know dick sucking thing in my youth. Me know say you know that dick sucking thing. I pay a girl me day with dog. Me know that dog. So why them boy want come bumbo clot a fuck with me every day Jamaican pay? Boy, I don't know, you know. Because them need to go back to modern blood clot times. See it? Because if them go back to modern times, see them like a boy, they wouldn't blood clot ban yet. They would still in them mama body. See it? A true man. Yes, man, because enough of them little youth they just born the other day, Rasta. See it? And chew them like a pussy, see it? Just born the other day, see it? And them woman ain't tell them say, them don't know them blood clot daddy. You get to me, I say, dog? So them boy you find them blood clots if you come on me thing and come on you thing, if you come suck your dick and suck my dick. But one thing me have to tell them like a pussy, you know, saying, when I ain't dick sucking bumbo clot thing, you get me? A true man. So what you do today? When you know say Jamaican pay, right now, dog, me pissed off right now with the dog. Why make you pissed off? Because the world fucked up. Me know say the world fucked up, but you have to go accept it, dog. Accept me mama bumbo clot, dog. Me not have to accept nothing, dog. Why make you not have to accept it? Because my youth, me are living in my one blood clot world. Yes, my youth, because the only way me can survive in the dog. I live in my bumbo clot world. Then Jamaican people, how you live? Then my youth, you know, see how me live. Yes, man. How me live then? My you me see you get up, you go work. See, you take away your household, you not go nowhere. You turn on your yard, your girl there work, you turn on yard, and all them thing there. You know, roam the street, because nobody can call for your blood clot name, you know. That's bumbo clot, right? Nobody can call your name Jamaican people. Oh, them fi call me bumbo clot name. Them can't call me name, because, guess what? Them no see me no way fi call my blood clot name. And I like you telling them my youth Jamaican be genuine dog. Me like how you angle thing, you know. See? And that's why me respect you know. Yes man, me respect it to the max, my youth. Because you know you come on social media, you make some pussy. No, see? And you know, hold back your mouth. No, hold back what kind of mouth, my youth. If boy fi name Batman, them fi name Batman. If some girl name fi name Bumbuckler Carpet Muncher, them fi blood clot name that. I choose Jamaican pay Rasta, see? Because Lord gosh man, see? Me can't accept no boy, see? I sit down on no boy bumbo clot, leg. I accept that blood clot. That's what me know enough. Say the whole world fucked up, social media fucked up, the people them were in the world real fucked up dog. See? That's why best, see? If me be who me is, because me be who me is now, see? Nobody can say me turn against them. See? Me a best friend ever you can ever want in a dog. I true, you know. Because you are not Jamaican people. Eh. My youth, you know, realize it. Me, nah, go turn against you, you know. Me a holy man, nah, go. Carry in your back in my youth. Eh, why me cannot go tell me in my back? My youth, you know, say about blood clot, man. My youth, you know, say me can't even move. My youth, you know, say me can't even talk. Eh, what wrong with you? Eh, me say what wrong with you, Jamaican people? Say, my youth, my youth, you know, should I know better, man. You know, say me can't move and me can't talk. Achoo, man. They want me to turn against you, my youth. Achoo, man. You're my best friend. Yes, man. Me and you and the ganja, man. Me and the ganja are your best friend and God, my youth. I don't lie. No, my youth, just if we stay out of them way, if we stay out of them blood clot way, no star. See it? We must survive in a life, you know. See it? We must survive in a life, dog. I don't like your blood clot because if we blood clot, no do the nastiness when them out there blood clot do, and the whole of lickings when them out there blood clot do. We must survive and we must build healthy and stay healthy more than enough of them. Yes, man, I don't lie, man, because you want out Jamaican pay. Well, my youth, see it now. Enough of them get opportunity in a dog, and then they know say opportunity they get enough. What kind of opportunity? Well, my youth, the first thing my youth, the opportunity, the first opportunity pussy them get. See, if I have the opportunity for have cell phone, internet, and all them things there. See, back in the bomb clad days, you know, my youth, you know, so they have them things there. Not even carry the bomb clad seatbelt, my youth, you know that? I don't like you tell. Back in the 80s, back in the bomb clad 70s, my youth. See, when media grew up, my youth, let me tell you something. Not even pussy clad. When you go to a store and you want a loaf of blood clad bread, my youth, right now, you can't buy a loaf of bread in a Jamaican pay. You don't understand that? You can't go to a store right now, dog, and buy a loaf of bread. No! Can't afford it. See? So through the world so fucked up right now, dog. See? Enough of them look a pussy. They want to egg. We want with bumbo clad. They want with accept that. Can't accept that a bumbo clad Jamaican people. You get me? A true man, cause me can't accept Batman a fuck man. Me can't accept no girl a blood clot, suck no girl pussy. And then when them blood clot girl see me out there, them go on like them want blood clot, act tougher than blood clot me. You get me? If the world was to blood, let me turn up there. Yeah man. If the world was to blood clot change blood clot right now, how enough of you don't live in a world? Eh? How enough of you don't live in the blood clot world? You don't live fucked up. You get me? You don't kill the blood clot if the world was to flip back around. Flip the fuck around. When I found not have the fucking things we wanna have now. Some of you have the things we wanna have now and I take it for blood clot granted. That you know fi stop do. Stop take shit for granted. Stop take life for granted. And stop taking people them with the round on for bomb clot granted. Stop taking like a job we wanna have for granted. Stop taking like a car, a little house we wanna live out have underneath. I want a blood clot head. A little food we wanna have in our house. On a picnic, on a clothes. Stop take it all for blood clot granted because guess what? You wanna go dead lefty. Stop take money for granted. All the fucking things you don't take for granted. Stop take water for granted. Stop take every blood clot thing in a life you wanna do for bomb clot granted. Here? Eh? Because una dead. Una dead slowly. Una bomb clot, you know. Eh? Una dead blood clot slowly. Yes, Jamaican be on a lie, man. Say it. On a lie, dog. The pussy will them dead slowly and then say it a blood clot. Say it. Them are dead slowly, Rasta. Saying all of the good up girl them. Let me go close to them. All of the good up girl them. Wanna big up on yourself. Me love on her. And make sure you keep on the pussy clean. Yeah? Keep your pussy clean. All of the good up girl them. Make sure you keep your pussy clean. Wash it. Not unlike some of them girl out there. Because every day you keep your pussy clean. And you dress up. And you go out there. Them want you against you. So all of the girl them pussy clean. Jamaican pay. Big up yourself me done. Thanks for come tuning with me. Yeah man, big up yourself Jamaican Jack. Have a great day. Yeah man, make sure you have a great day to me boy. Because I know say you have to go work later, you know. Yeah man. Everybody only big up on yourself. Jamaican Jack up and running. Much love to all of the fans them. Yes man, love and respect up there.